Imagine uploading a photo of yourself, and within seconds, it transforms your pose like you actually retook the shot. Sounds impossible, right? But the truth is, it's happening right now. Nano-Banana, the new AI tool that's exploding on the internet, is making people question whether what they're seeing is even real. It is also called Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. And today, I'm going to show you why everyone is calling this the Photoshop killer, the new revolution in creativity, and maybe even the most fun AI you'll ever try. When you first open Nano-Banana, the interface almost feels too simple. There are no difficult menus, no confusing toolbars, nothing like you need a course to use it. Upload an image, type in a few words, and boom, the transformation happens in front of your eyes. This is not like the old days where editing took hours, or you had to hire a professional to design for you. Nano-Banana gives you the power to become a designer, a photographer, an animator, and even a fashion stylist, all rolled into one. So what can you actually do with it? Let's start with the first basic feature, text to image. All you need to do is type your prompt, and Nano-Banana instantly gives you a realistic picture of it. It's amazing that you can create any image just by typing a prompt. And this isn't some blurry, low-quality sketch. It looks like something straight out of an architectural magazine. Then comes the real game changer, image to image. This is the feature everyone's hyping about. It's about to crash Adobe Illustrator. Why spend months learning complex tools or hours fine-tuning a single design when now you can do it in just one click? Whether it's transforming a sketch into polished artwork or editing a photo like a pro, this tool makes it instant. Imagine renovating your room without spending a single penny. Sounds impossible, right? But Nano-Banana makes it real. All you need is a picture of your space, and it transforms it instantly. You can upload a plain, empty wall, and within seconds, Nano-Banana turned it into a stunning bookshelf setup, like something out of an interior design magazine. That's not a filter, that's a full transformation. You can redesign your entire room virtually, trying out endless styles until you land on the perfect one. It's literally like having an interior designer trapped inside your laptop, working for you in real time. Now, this is where Nano-Banana feels like pure magic. Pose changing. You won't believe it until you see it. I uploaded a simple sketch of a pose. Nothing fancy, just lines on paper. Then I gave the AI a real photo of a girl. Within seconds, Nano-Banana reshaped her into the exact pose of that sketch. The transformation was flawless. Her arms, posture, even the little details matched perfectly. No awkward joints, no Photoshop layers, just one click. It's like turning imagination into reality, where even a rough doodle can dictate a perfect lifelike photograph. And this isn't just about homes. Fashion lovers are going crazy over this tool because it literally becomes a virtual fitting room. Let's say you saw a dress online but aren't sure if it will suit you. Upload your picture, tell Nano-Banana to replace your outfit with that dress, and boom, you're wearing it. You can check how you look in a gown. You don't even need to waste money ordering something you'll regret later. It's like having every clothing store in the world right at your fingertips. What if I told you you'll never look at photo text the same way again? With Nano-Banana, you can literally edit the text in an image. Maybe you clicked a picture of a shop sign while traveling and you wish it said something funny instead. Or maybe you're creating a poster for your business, but don't want to start from scratch. Just highlight the text, rewrite it, and the AI blends it so naturally. You'd never know it was changed. That's why small businesses are already calling this tool their secret marketing hack. Posters, flyers, banners, all designed in minutes. And you know what else Nano-Banana does effortlessly? Color changes. This is one of my favorite parts. Let's say you want to change the color of your shirt, or you want to turn a black and white image into a colorful one. No worries, Nano-Banana has got you covered. Upload the photo, type the prompt, and within seconds, there it is. Just try everything virtually until you fall in love with the look. But let's take it up a notch. Background editing is where Nano-Banana truly feels magical. We've all had great photos ruined by dull or messy backdrops. Maybe you snapped a picture in your small town, but wished it looked like you were standing in a sleek, modern cityscape. Or perhaps you need a professional headshot, but don't want to book a studio session. With Nano-Banana, you can swap out any background in seconds, replacing it with a clean, stylish, or futuristic look. Instantly, you appear more polished, confident, and professional, like a true corporate leader. What if your ideas didn't just stay as pictures, but actually moved? Yes, Nano-Banana can animate your creations. You can take a simple design and turn it into a moving animation, or even generate cartoon-style clips that look ready for YouTube or TikTok. Whether it's a character you designed, a logo you want to bring to life, or just a fun cartoon animation, Nano-Banana makes it possible with just a few clicks. This isn't just photo editing anymore. It's stepping into the world of motion graphics and cartoons without needing years of animation skills. And we're just scratching the surface. Nano-Banana can even create montages for you. Normally, putting together multiple pictures into one stunning collage takes hours. Here, you just select the images, type what you want, and boom, the AI stitches everything together beautifully. You can create mood boards, travel collages, or even custom posters without touching complicated software. Now here's where Nano-Banana really flexes its power. Take this photo. Trump was right there a moment ago, and now he's completely gone. The AI erased him so perfectly that it looks like he was never even part of the scene. And the best part? You can do this with literally any picture. Maybe it's a celebrity, a politician, or just an object you don't want in the frame. Highlight it, hit remove, and Nano-Banana fills in the background like magic. Within seconds, your photo looks clean, professional, and exactly the way you want it. Still not impressed? Then watch this. Nano-Banana can even transform facial expressions. Take this girl standing in the snow. In the original photo, her face is serious, almost emotionless. But after running it through Nano-Banana, the same picture comes back with her smiling warmly, as if the photo was taken at a completely different moment. No retakes, no editing skills, just one click, and the AI changes the entire mood of the shot. It feels like time travel for emotions, letting you capture multiple vibes from a single image, and the results look unbelievably real. Isn't it crazy that all of this is happening without professional skills? You don't need to be a designer, photographer, or animator. You don't even need to spend weeks learning complicated software. Nano-Banana is clean, beginner-friendly, and ridiculously fun. It takes minutes, not hours, to create something jaw-dropping. The truth is, Nano-Banana feels like having an entire creative team in your pocket. A designer to visualize your room, a stylist to test your outfits, a photographer to fix your photos, an animator to bring your ideas to life. It's all in one place. And the hype? It's real. Because once you use it, you start questioning reality itself. Did someone actually pose for that photo? Or was it generated? Did that picture come from a real place? Or was it built by Nano-Banana? That's how powerful this tool has become. It isn't just another AI tool. It's a shift in the way we think about creativity. It's no longer limited to professionals with expensive gear. Now anyone, anywhere, can make reality bend to their imagination. So tell me, if you could try Nano-Banana right now, what would you do first? The possibilities are endless, as there is nothing you cannot create with Nano-Banana. And if you're excited by what you just saw, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more insane AI breakdowns, and drop a comment telling me what you would create first. Thanks you're watching.